Accessible Documents, Microsoft Headings.
Okay, so this is my Word document, and it's the draft for the blended online learning standard that we've got for Techability Standards. So at the moment it's solid text and I can't really see which bits are the titles and which bits aren't. So what I can do to make it clearer is I can use what's called styles, which is at the top here. So along the top you can see normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, title, and it will give you a little preview when you hold your mouse over what it will look like. So this is the overall title, so I'll call that Blended Online Learning title. I'll go to captioning, and that's going to be my subtitle, so I'll give that heading 1. And I've also got transcripts there, so I'll make that heading 1 as well. If I've got subheadings under that as well, I can use heading 2, and that'll nest those in there. So what that means is, first of all, it looks clearer. It also means you can collapse the sections and open them back up again, which is quite useful when you're creating documents and you don't need all that information out at once. It also means that you can change one heading and it will change all of the headings in your document rather than having to go through each one individually. I can change the font, name, size, color. So it's really easy to change the styles in a document. So it's a good tool in that sense. The other thing that I can do is go to, there we go, navigation pane, that's the one. So if I take navigation pane, it also brings me up a really useful list along the side where I can quickly jump to the information I need. So if you've got learners who are struggling with lots and lots of information, it can just help them to navigate the document. There's also a search tool in the document. So if there's a particular word they're looking to get or an area that they're looking to get to, then you can type that in navigation. Another reason why it's really useful to do headings is that you can very easily insert tables of contents. So if we go to References tab, and then we go Table of Contents, it gives us some automatic styles here, and I can insert that there. And I've got a contents page already created for me. And anytime I change the content in there, I just need to update the table. And you can update page numbers or the entire table if you've made changes to the titles. So just remember to do that. And then if I publish that as a PDF, so if I go to Export, create a PDF document, and here we go. So I'm going to export that to the desktop. So yeah, that's my PDF, and the contents are not only on the page, but they're also clickable. So if I want to go quickly to Digital Fatigue, I can click on it and it'll take me to that title. So it also makes sure PDF's more accessible. Okay, so that's it in Microsoft